Hey goddess, welcome back to yet another video and welcome back to the Goddess Nation vibes. It's me, Sai Elaine, aka Goddess Tree of Me, here with another video for you. This is going to be my first ever haul on my channel. I think I probably attempted one, but never really committed fully. So I'm here, and I know with the state of affairs and all the ghetto that's going on right now, there's always people who just want to sit, chill, and relax and escape whatever it is that we are dealing with. And I don't normally go shopping. I'm honestly just not even in that space in my life. So when I do go shopping, when I do buy like clothes for myself, I celebrate those things because it's not something that I'm doing every week or even quarterly. I kind of struggle with maintaining that. So I went on Pretty Little Thing, and I am assuming they did their rebrand. Yes, everyone was talking about it. I think they did their rebrand, and I selected a couple of pieces, and I had a color theme that I was going for, and it was definitely that chocolate brown, gold accessories, statement pieces as far as other accessories. So we're going to get into what I got from Pretty Little Thing. Make sure that you watch all the way towards the end so that you can see something that I discovered on Pretty Little Thing. We're going to test and see if it's true, because I was actually flabbergasted when I saw what it was. It might be a small, minuscule thing, but I was like, didn't know that they offered this, so I did get that. But we're going to talk about that when I get into it. So without further ado, let's get into the video. I want to show you my pieces. I am going to try some outfits on, or try some of the pieces that I got on. This thing I want to start with is these pants. How cute. How cute are these? I think these are straight leg pants or wide leg, straight leg. But yeah, I had to cop them. Had to. And I got the size UK 8, US 4. Now, if you want to kind of know my metrics, I am 5'10" and a half, barefoot, and I'm also about approximately 132 to 134 pounds. And my dress size is between 2 and 4. 2 if it's like really like large or runs big, but 4 is going to be my standard dress size for the ladies who wanted to know, just so you can kind of like use me as a guide if you are a similar body type to mine. This is how the faux leather straight leg pants are looking on me. Super bomb, so tea, exactly what I pictured and envisioned in my head. Yeah. Now, I thought this was super cute, y'all. This was the bag that I selected. I was caught between this bag and this cherry red like vinyl bag, but something told me to do the snake skin because it just gave statement piece. It gave signature statement piece, not gonna lie. So let's pull this bad boy out. And I like the shape of it too. I just thought it was really fashion forward and super cute. Every girl should have a statement purse, even if you don't wear it all the time, but like this is giving statement purse. So that's why I copied that one. I wanted these for when I'm like around the house lounging and chilling, but I don't think they're going to be long enough. Oh yeah, these are gonna flood. They don't look like long enough, but we're gonna see, y'all. I'm gonna try these on. But I got these to basically lounge in because I didn't want to be walking around like with my ass out and things of that nature. Like I said, I don't have my own crib anymore like I did in LA. So there's certain things I just cannot do right now. Never count the bangles out. So these are the bangles. And then I also got these texture bangles. They're a little more thin than I realized. In the picture it looks more chunky. Oh, never mind. Hold on. We have a chunky and one thin piece. Okay, so it's like a little set. These are gonna be another bangle set that I got. They're like more textured. So like more texture, and I can kind of like layer these if I see fit. I thought this was super cute. I thought that it matched my theme perfectly, and I know it's gonna hit with them pants. I just know it's gonna hit with them pants. You okay? Very cute. And then next, this is not what I ordered. I ordered a chiffon flare. Okay, hold on. We have an issue, Pretty Little Thing. This is not what I ordered. I ordered a chiffon flare sleeve cap detail top in the color black. The tag was detached, and I got these pants. Y'all, this is not even Pretty Little Thing's brand. What do we have going on, y'all? I didn't get the top that I wanted. You gave me black pants. I don't even know what's going on. I just know that I have somebody else's pants with somebody else's scent on them, a tag that has my shirt's SKU number, but clearly it's been burned off or broken, and I don't have my top. So, like, I'm so irritated. I probably don't want to continue the video, but we're gonna continue the video because I'm just gonna show y'all in real time what we put up with, when we spend our own money. And proof that the Most High do not play about me, the microphone went out the rest of the video, and I guess I didn't know. But I guess everything around me, including Spirit, just knew that I was very upset by getting sent somebody else's clothes. So yeah, we're just going to do a little voiceover just to make the rest of the video run smoothly and cohesive. This is going to be that drape top that I just showed you. This is the back, and then this is the front. Absolutely love how this looked. Definitely something I will wear for a night out or for a date night, cocktail hour, you name it. Next, I'm going to move on to some more jewelry, and I bought these dainty earrings. Well, they're not really dainty. They're kind of like a small, chunky earring, but I like that you can clip these. Well, not really clip these. How am I trying to explain it, y'all? Like, it's not going to fall off your ear because it's heavy. Now, don't get me wrong. They are heavy, but they don't feel like it because you literally push it close and it like clamps close so that you don't have any like the weight of the earring dangling your ear or like weighing your ear down and then potentially falling out. So I do like that these are more secure. I love earrings that don't have to require me to put like the backs on the bag because sometimes those backs get slippery, they don't stay, and it just irritates my whole soul. So we now arrived at the moment that I discussed earlier in the video about something that I discovered that they offered, which was water resistant jewelry. They offered this in a lot of their bracelets, I believe anklets and necklaces, and I guess it's polished with a certain finish to prevent any staining or like, turning your skin green or whatever the case may be. So I'm not gonna lie, I've been taking showers with this jewelry on, and I take pretty long showers at that. I'm talking about sometimes an hour plus maybe because I have to wash my sew-in, all this crazy extra stuff. I do the everything showers. But yeah, so far so good, water resistant, cleared. Next, I'm going to discuss this jacket. Love, love, love the jacket. I didn't think it was going to be as big as it was because it looked like a cropped jacket in the photo, but maybe the model was shorter than I was, but I thought that this was going to be more of a cropped jacket. It is more of a full-length jacket, and it has like this texture on it that gives like a nice vintage look. I did love the color, but yeah, I was just under the impression that it will be a little bit more shorter. This is the zipper detailing on the sleeves, and there's also other detailing on the front. Here I have this soft touch khaki fold over shirt. It is long sleeve, and you can kind of rouge it, like you can rouge the fold over part depending on your taste and liking. I'm going to insert a full body photo of me wearing this out actually to my sister's birthday dinner. Super elegant, very soft. I did wear a bra with this because it is off the shoulder. I just tucked my straps, but a strapless bra would go absolutely amazing with this, and I would definitely wear it again. But yeah, it's very soft. I think it's like sheer, but not too sheer. For the next piece of jewelry, we have yet another water resistant piece. This one's going to be more of a chunkier, thicker, like Cuban link type of bracelet situation going on. So I just kind of layered my pieces on one arm, and then this is how everything is looking. And I think the other one is like kind of like a Van Cleef, not really, but kind of type of mimic bracelet. And then I have this beautiful necklace here, super elegant. But beware if you have larger hands, have someone put this necklace on you because it is a tiny circle clasp type of necklace. So you have to really be sharp with applying this or putting this around your neck. And the last thing is going to be this paisley brown scarf. Absolutely, girl. The swag that this possessed, I just had to get it. And I'm actually going to tie it around my head because I just had to see what it was giving. You can tie these type of scarves so many different ways, but of course I just did the classic, like tie it to the back, real hood with it, okay? And yeah, I love this. I love how it came out. I think I'm going to rock this on days where I don't really want to do the top of my head. We're just going to Aaliyah the rest of the hair out, okay? I'm telling you. So this is my first haul down for the books in my YouTube journey. And thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you guys find any inspiration in the pieces or can, make up your own list. We a little bit mad at Pretty Little Thing, though, because y'all sending me other people's clothes. I mean, what's going on with that? So hopefully somebody reach out or I'll reach out and rectify it if I can. But I will see you in the next video. Love you.